Now, let's talk about Al-Rajhi Bank. As one of the largest and most respected banks in Saudi Arabia, Al-Rajhi Bank offers a wide range of services to both residents and expats alike. Its robust digital banking platform, coupled with an extensive network of branches, makes it a top choice for many. Whether you're an expat navigating your way through the kingdom or a local resident looking to switch banks, understanding the process of opening an account can be a game changer. So if you are considering to open an account with Al-Rajhi Bank, this guide is for you. Before we start, let's understand who can open an account with Al-Rajhi Bank. To be eligible, you must meet a few key criteria. First and foremost, you must be a resident of Saudi Arabia. This means you live in the kingdom, not just visiting. Now, living in Saudi Arabia isn't enough on its own. You must also hold a valid iqama. This is the residency permit granted to expatriates who reside in Saudi Arabia. It's your official identification while you're in the country. Lastly, age matters. You must be over 18 years old. This is a common age requirement for financial responsibilities worldwide. So to sum up, you must be a resident of Saudi Arabia, hold a valid iqama, and be over 18 to open an account with Al-Rajhi Bank. Now that you know if you're eligible, what's next? That's right, gathering the required documents. Getting the right documents ready is a key step in the process. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to open an account at Al-Rajhi Bank. First and foremost, you'll need a valid iqama. This is your residency permit and it's non-negotiable. Next, make sure you have your passport handy. It's essential for identification purposes and should have a valid visa stamp. Now, you'll also need proof of address. This can be a utility bill, a rental agreement, or any official document that clearly shows your current address in Saudi Arabia. The last piece of the puzzle is a completed application form. You can get this from any Al-Rajhi Bank branch or download it online from their official website. Remember to double-check all your documents before proceeding. Accuracy is crucial to avoid any hiccups along the way. With the documents in hand, you are now ready to apply for an account. Now comes the most crucial part, the application process. To open an account with Al-Rajhi Bank, you need to follow a systematic process. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First off, you'll need to locate the nearest Al-Rajhi Bank branch. This could be in Riyadh, Jeddah, or any other city across Saudi Arabia. Remember, the bank has an extensive network of branches, so finding one shouldn't be a problem. Once you've found your branch, step inside and head to the customer service desk. Here, you'll be given an application form to fill out. Now, this is where the documents we talked about in the previous scene come into play. The application form will ask for your basic information, like your full name, contact details, and nationality. But it will also require your employment details and financial information. So be prepared to provide your employer's information and your salary details. Once you've filled out the form, it's time to submit it along with your documents. The bank officials will then review your application. This is where they check to make sure everything is in order and that you meet their eligibility criteria. Now, the waiting game begins. The bank will take some time to process your application. This could be anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, so patience is key. You'll receive a notification once your application has been accepted. What happens if your application is rejected, you ask? Well, don't worry. The bank will provide you with the reasons for the rejection, and you can reapply after addressing those issues. But let's stay positive. Assuming your application is accepted, you'll be one step closer to having your Al-Rajhi Bank account. At this point, the bank will issue you an account number. So, there you have it. The application process for opening an account with Al-Rajhi Bank may seem a bit daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Just remember to be organized, have your documents ready, and be patient. Once your application is accepted, you're almost there. After your application is approved, there's one final step left. Now we're on the home stretch, folks. Activating your Al-Rajhi Bank account is a breeze. Once your application gets the green light, the bank will provide you with an account number. This is your unique identifier. consider it your financial passport. It's important, so keep it safe. Next up, let's dive into the digital world. Setting up online banking with Al-Rajhi is as simple as apple pie. You'll be guided through this process where you'll set up your username, password, and security questions. Remember, your online banking credentials are like the keys to your kingdom. Guard them well. The final piece of the puzzle is receiving your debit card. Al-Rajhi will send this to your registered address. Once you receive it, follow the instructions to activate it, and voila! And with that, you now have your very own Al-Rajhi bank account. Welcome to a world of hassle-free banking. Opening a bank account may seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's a breeze. We've walked through the entire process together, from understanding the eligibility criteria to gathering the required documents. We've navigated the application process step by step, making sure every box is checked and every form is filled. And we've even gone through the activation process to make sure that once you've opened your account, you're ready to hit the ground running. Remember, the key steps are simple. Understand your eligibility, gather your documents, submit your application, and activate your account. As long as you follow these steps, opening an Al-Rajhi bank account in Saudi Arabia is straightforward and hassle-free, and there you have it. You're now well-versed in the entire process of opening an Al-Rajhi bank account. So, what are you waiting for? Start your banking journey today.